Hi, fellow Griffith here with PSG Photo Solution, and today I have Holly Corbid. And where are you located?
I am in Minnesota, in the
Okay.
Twin Cities area, Minneapolis, St. Paul, right outside of there.
Okay. And what's the name of your company?
Capture your photos.
Okay. And what's the main problem that people come to you for you to solve with their photos?
Yeah, so I specialize in digital photo organizing. So I would say the vast majority of my work is helping people to organize and get control of their digital photos.
Okay. And I would think most of those are on their phone or scattered across different devices.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, everyone's got phone photos because that's what we use now, right? But they also have photos on computers and external hard drives and flash drives and old CDs and DVDs and the cloud. That's probably the latest thing that I see the most is people that have photos spread across many cloud sites.
Okay, yeah. And what's an interesting or different project that you've worked on in this past year?
You know, when I think about this past year and some of the cool projects that I've had, one of the things that always comes to mind is I have this 96-year-old client. I take that back. He is going to be 96 in June. So he's 95. When I started working with him, he was 94. And he loves his photos. And he was the memory keeper of the family.
Okay.
And so which is unusual given his age and that, but he has scrapbooks from years and years and years and years. So it's been a project that we have gone through. We first organized his digital photos and got everything. And the cool thing about it is he is still so, he still does he can navigate a computer, and which is unique for a 95-year-old person. And so we got his digital photos all organized, and then we kind of attacked the scrapbooks and we digitized, and we went through and we tried to select the photos that he really wanted for that legacy collection versus all of them, because there were thousands and thousands and thousands. And so what this kind of parlayed into is then projects like we did a project for his 95th birthday that he chose about 20 photos from each of what he called his eras. So,
I love it.
For us, the Taylor Swift fans in the crowd, right? So that was super fun and super cool. So we made posters for him to display at his party. And so that was really fun. And then unfortunately his wife passed away last fall. And so that meant more keepsakes, more posters for the funeral, slideshows, different things. So what we've kind of done is started to set aside all these great projects that we've been able to do because his photos were organized. We were able to just go find all the photos we need. And so now we're really working on that legacy stuff. And it's been fascinating and awesome. And he's like the sweetest person ever. And we've become dear friends.
Yeah. Yeah, I love the fact that you're talking about legacy, because when you think about 95 years and all the history he has seen,
his life, he's traveled the world, and he participates in the Senior Olympics, and he has all these medals from the Senior Olympics that he's been doing for years. He is amazing.
That's fabulous.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter who you are, but you probably have a lot more history than you realize. And seeing a photo organizer, photo manager, is one way of passing on your legacy. Talk to you next time.